Hello everyone, this is me, Debushmita Sharkar. Today we are going to talk about Saraswati Puja. So let's begin. Vasant Panchami. Vasant Panchami, also called Saraswati Puja, is a festival that marks the preparation of the arrival of spring. The festival is celebrated by people in various ways depending upon the region in the life in the Indian subcontinent. Vasant Panchami also marks the start of preparation for Holika and Holi, which take place 40 days later. The Vasant Utsava festival on Panchami is celebrated 40 days before spring because any season's transition period is 40 days and after that the season comes into full bloom. Nomenclature and date. Vasant Panchami is celebrated every year on the fifth day of the bright half of the Hindu lunisolar calendar month of Magha, which typically falls in late January or February. Spring is known as the king of all seasons, so the festival commences 40 days in advance. It is generally winter like in northern India and more spring like in central and western parts of India on Vasant Panchami, which gives credence into the fact that spring is actually in full bloom 40 days after the Vasant Panchami. The festival is particularly observed by Hindus in the Indian subcontinent, notably India and Nepal. It also has been a historical tradition of Sikhs as well as in southern states. The same day is called Sri Panchami. On the great island of Bali and the Hindus of Indonesia, it is known as Hari Raya Saraswati, Great Day of Saraswati. It also marks the beginning of the 210-day long Balinese Paukon calendar. Saraswati Puja. Vasant Panchami is a festival that marks the beginning of preparation for spring season. It is celebrated by people in various ways depending on the region. Vasant Panchami also marks the start of preparation for holiday and Holi, which occurs 40 days later. For many Hindus, Vasant Panchami is the festival dedicated to goddess Saraswati, who is the goddess of knowledge, language, music, and all arts. She symbolizes creative energy and power in all its forms, including longing and love. The season and festival also celebrate the agriculture fields ripening with yellow flowers of mustard, crop which Hindus associate with Saraswati's favorite color. People dress in yellow saris or shirts or accessories, share yellow colored snacks and sweets. Some add saffron to their rice and then eat yellow cooked rice as a part of an elaborate feast. Some other deities. Another legend behind Vasant Panchami is based on the Hindu god of love called Kama. Pradyumna is Kamdev's personified, as we learn from Krishna's book. Thus, Vasant Panchami is also known as Madana Panchami. Pradyumna is the son of Rukmini and Krishna. He awakens the passions of the earth and its people, and thus the world blooms anew. It is remembered as the day when the seas rishis approached Kama to wake up Shiva from his yogic meditation. They support Parvati, who is doing a penance to get see Shiva as husband, and seek Kama's help to bring Shiva back from his meditation to worldly desires. Kama agrees and shoots arrows made of flowers and bees at Shiva from his heavenly bow of sugarcane in order to arouse him to pay attention to Parvati. Lord Shiva awakens from his meditation. When his third eye opens, a fireball is directed to Kama. Kama, the lord of desires, is burned to ashes. This initiative is celebrated by Hindus as Vasant Panchami. Vasant Panchami is associated with the emotions of love and emotional anticipation in Kutch, Gujarati, and celebrated by preparing bouquet of and garlands of flowers set with mango leaves as a gift, and people dress in saffron, pink, or yellow and visit each other. Songs about Krishna's prank with Radha considered to mirror Kamarati are sung. This is symbolized with the Hindu deity Kamdev and with his wife Rati. Traditionally in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Uttar Pradesh, after bathing in the morning, people worship Shiva and Parvati. Offerings of mango, flowers, and ears of wheat are traditionally made. Vasant Panchami in some parts celebrates the Hindu god of love, Kama, left with Arati shown at the Khajuraho temple. Dio Temple, Sun God. The shrine of the sun god in Aurangabad district, Bihar, known as the Dio Sun Shrine, was established on Basant Panchami. The day is celebrated to commemorate the founding of the shrine by King Aila of Allahabad and the birthday of the sun dio god. The statues are washed and old red clothes on them are replaced with new ones on Basant Panchami. Devotees sing, dance, and play musical instruments. Other people celebrate the day by wearing yellow, white, eating the sweet dishes, and display yellow flowers in homes. In Rajasthan, it is customary for people to wear jasmine garlands. In Maharashtra, newly married couples visit a temple and offer prayers on the first Basant Panchami after the wedding. Wearing yellow dresses in the Punjab region, Sikhs and Hindus wear yellow turban or headdresses. In Uttarakhand, in addition of Saraswati Puja, people worship Shiva Parvati as the Mother Earth and crop or agriculture. It is, I am keeping it as it is. You can read it. Yeah. Sikhism. Namdhari Sikhs have historically celebrated Vasant Panchami to mark the beginning of spring. Other Sikhs treat it as a spring festival and joyfully celebrate it by wearing yellow colored clothes emulating the bright yellow mustard flowers in the fields. Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the founder of Sikh Empire, encouraged the celebration of Basant Panchami as a social event in the Gurudwaras. In 1825 CE, he gave 20,000 rupees to Harmandir Sahib Gurudwara in Amritsar, means the Golden Temple, to distribute food. He held an annual Basant Panchami, Basant Fair, and sponsored kite flying as a regular feature of the fairs. Pakistan. Kite flying in Lahore goes back centuries after creation of Pakistan. It evolved into a highly competitive sport which is not limited to Basant Panchami only. Given the shared history and culture in the Indian subcontinent, the Punjabi Muslims in and around Lahore also celebrate kite flying as a sport in Pakistan from home rooftops during the Basant season. Muslim Basant. According to Lokhan Singh Buksi, Basant Panchami is a Hindu festival adopted by some Indian Muslim Sufis in the 12th century to mark the grave of the Muslim saint Dargah to Nizamuddin Aulia in Delhi, and ever since has been observed by the Christian order. According to local Sufi tradition, the poet Ami Khusrau saw Hindu women carry yellow flowers to a temple on Basant and they were dressed in yellow, and he adopted this practice when the Christian order of Sufi Indian Muslims continue to practice. Controversy. India religious disputes. The Gujarati government has encouraged the observance of Saraswati Puja in schools on Vasant Panchami, a proposal that has been opposed by Indian Muslims because it is a religious festival of Hinduism. Vasant Panchami has been a historic occasion of dispute at the archaeological site of Bhotshala, Dhar, Madhya Pradesh, with the evidence of an early Saraswati temple, locally called Vagdevi. So with this we came to the end of our video. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.